Welcome back to Atarian News Channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through one of the most important releases in open source virtualization, the Prosmos Virtual Environment 9.0, now based on Debian 13, which is also known as Trixie. This latest version of Prosmos marks a significant step forward for anyone looking to build or manage virtual machines, home labs, or even full-fledged production infrastructure without relying on expensive enterprise solutions. In this video, we'll explore what Prosmos is, why version 9.0 is such a big deal, the key features you need to know, and how you can get started with it, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's begin by understanding what Prosmos Virtual Environment is. Prosmos VE, as it is called, is an open source platform that allows you to run multiple virtual machines and containers on a single physical server. It combines powerful technologies like KVM for full virtualization, LXC for lightweight containerization, and ZFS for advanced storage management. In simple terms, Prosmos lets you take one powerful computer and split it into many smaller virtual computers. Each of these virtual machines or containers can run different operating systems and applications, isolated from one another while sharing the same physical hardware. This makes Prosmos ideal for testing software, running home labs, hosting websites, deploying services like firewalls or VPNs, or even building your own cloud. And the best part, it's free. It's open source and has a very active community behind it. Now let's talk about what's new in Prosmos VE 9.0. This release is based on the latest Debian 13 operating system, codenamed Trixie. Debian is known for its rock-solid stability, and version 13 brings newer software packages, security patches, and hardware compatibility improvements. With Prosmos 9.0, the system is now powered by the Linux kernel 6.14, which includes improved support for newer CPUs, better performance tuning, and enhanced power management features. This means more efficient use of resources and better support for modern hardware. In terms of virtualization components, you'll now get QEMU 10, which is the engine behind your virtual machines, and LXC 6, which is used to run Linux containers. Both of these updates bring security improvements and better resource management. Another major update is the inclusion of ZFS 2.3, one of the most powerful file systems available. ZFS provides features like snapshots, data integrity checking, and pooling of storage, all baked directly into the system. And for those who use distributed storage, Prosmos 9.0 now supports Ceph 19.2, also known as the Squid release, offering improved performance and easier integration for clustered storage environments. One of the first things users will notice in Prosmos 9.0 is the improved web interface. The entire UI has received a refresh, including a new dark mode as the default theme. This isn't just about looks, it improves readability, reduces eye strain, and provides a more modern feel. But under the hood, the user experience has improved as well. The system is more responsive, and many of the common administrative tasks have been simplified. For example, creating and managing virtual machines or containers now involves fewer clicks and more helpful tooltips, making Prosmos easier to learn for new users. There's also a significant upgrade to the software-defined networking capabilities. SDN lets you create complex, programmable network setups with Prosmos, useful if you want to build custom VLANs, isolated test environments, or connect multiple virtual machines in sophisticated ways. In version 9.0, SDN has become easier to configure and more stable, making it an accessible tool even for smaller labs and projects. Storage has always been a strength of Prosmos, and version 9.0 builds on that foundation. One of the biggest new features is support for LVM thick provisioned shared storage snapshot. This means that even when using shared storage environments like ISCSI or fiber channel SANs, you can now take snapshots of your virtual disks. Snapshots are incredibly useful. They let you freeze a VM or container at a specific point in time, so you can return to it later if something goes wrong during testing or updates. Now, even environments with shared LVM based storage can take advantage of this safety net. And for those using ZFS, RAID Z expansion is now supported. This allows you to grow your RAID Z storage pools without having to start from scratch, saving time and protecting data. If you're wondering how to get started with Prosmos VE 9.0, there are two main paths. The first is to download the ISO installer from the official Prosmos website and do a fresh installation on a dedicated server. This is the easiest and most recommended method, especially if you're new to Prosmos. The installer includes everything you need and gets you up and running in minutes. The second method is to install Prosmos on top of an existing Debian 13 system. This gives you more control over partitioning, custom boot configurations, or dual purpose setups, but it does require some extra setups and manual configuration. If you are already using Prosmos VE 8.x, there's good news. You can upgrade in place. Just follow the official upgrade guide, which includes changing your software repositories to the new Debian 13 versions and running the upgrade process through the command line. The process is relatively smooth if your system is up to date and properly backed up. Let's explore what you can actually do with Prosmos. The possibilities are virtually endless, but here are some common use cases. If you're running a home lab, Prosmos allows you to test different operating systems, deploy firewalls, try out new apps, or run your own private cloud. You can also use it to host media servers, game servers, or home automation tools like Home Assistant, all on the same box. In small and medium businesses, Prosmos can replace expensive commercial virtualization platforms. You can run your internal tools, file servers, customer management systems, or databases, all isolated in separate VMs or containers. Educational institutions also use Prosmos for teaching operating systems, network configuration, and cybersecurity labs because it's free, reliable, and easy to reset. To wrap up, Prosmos VE 9.0 is more than just a version update. It's a mature enterprise-grade virtualization platform that's accessible to everyone. Whether you're just getting started with virtual machines or looking to modernize your infrastructure, Prosmos provides the flexibility, power, and community support you need. With its new base on Debian 13, support for modern hardware, improved storage and network features, and a cleaner interface, Prosmos 9.0 sets the bar high for open source virtualization. It's a strong alternative to commercial tools like VMware, and it's completely free to use. If you've been thinking about experimenting with virtualization or even replacing a paid hypervisor in your environment, there has never been a better time to try Prosmos. And be sure to check the description box below for a complete step-by-step setup guide designed especially for beginners. Thanks for watching the Atarian News channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on open source tech, virtualization and beyond. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.